Hi folks, welcome back to Roadstoke. Today I'm going to show you a fix for stripped screw holes for the Murphy bed mounting bracket. When you pull up the bed, basically the top, at least the way we've done it, we put a mattress on top because, this is pretty stiff. So in order to fold this up, basically you fold the pad up to halfway, and then this whole half of the bed folds up. And then you lock in that latch. Well, our last renter stripped the screws out of the wall, so I need to figure out how to fix that. When we do this, we do sometimes put some bedding under there, kind of in that window cavity. And I usually warn renters that you can only fit 2 pillows in your quilt, but I think they tried to fit the pop tent bedding in there as well, and it's just too much. So they were trying to yank it closed and just were a little heavy-handed with it. So the technique I'm going to go about fixing this with is basically you fill the hole with 2 toothpicks and some wood glue. Once it's dry, drill kind of a pilot hole to help rescrew that in, and we should be golden. I want to protect the kind of the vinyl facade here so it doesn't drip or even into the bed. So I'm just going to make a little catching pool here for my wood glue. Should be good enough. Okay, let's take this out. And that's gonna pull out, unfortunately. Yeah, so it's all stripped. I can tell it's stripped this way. It's kind of long, which means there was pressure from the bed pulling. To be honest, it's not much of a screw holding in that much tension. Granted, I think this renter put too much bedding and tried to force it, as renters do. All right, I got some wire snips here. Snip these, and then basically just fill this as best I can. So I'm just kind of putting pieces in to see like how much I need to put in here. Looks pretty good. So maybe 4 might even be more. There's a lot of space in there, unfortunately. Gotcha. Okay, so I'm gonna pull these out, put some wood glue in there, put all those bits back inside. I'm gonna go ahead and do it on this as well because it was also just a little loose. I'm gonna keep my hands clean. Also, I spent the day cleaning the van, and when you're cleaning and washing stuff, your hands get super dry. Well, that has definitely happened to me. But wearing gloves does help with keeping your hands moisturized. All right, so you can use any wood glue you want. This cap is all clogged up, so we're gonna go dangerous. Use a toothpick to fill that hole as best I can. I'm gonna send that in there, and that's just gonna be that one. And then these others, I'm gonna start putting in here. Now, as I put these in, I expect the wood glue to be pushed outward. Which is fine. All right. So I'm gonna let that be. It's gonna dry overnight, and I'm gonna give it another look tomorrow. And again, I'm gonna drill pilot hole and then screw it in. And hopefully we've got a secure fit. I have a renter coming in tomorrow, so hopefully this is all worked out. Otherwise, the bed will be bungeed to the wall till tomorrow. All right, we're gonna go ahead and remove these. The glue is all dry. I'm gonna use just a little saw here, but you could do this with a knife or anything. I'm gonna use one of these. Just kind of slide it down and hopefully not ruin the facade. All right. All right, looks good. Looks good. All right. So let's take all this off. Okay, so you can see now I've just got a solid wood surface there to drill into. Next, we're going to drill a little hole. I'll do a 7/64. Just double check where we are. In fact, I'm going to drill right through these. Not far. Not too far. So hopefully this worked out. It's actually my first time doing this idea. It feels firm. Feels good. On that top one, I found a replacement screw. This bottom one is the normal one. So let's give it a test. Up we go. It's a little close quarter here. Let's get in there. All right. Lock it in. Oh yeah, that's solid. All right, well, we'll call that a fix. Actually feels really good. Thanks guys for watching. After every rental I've had, and actually every time we've taken the Solis out, we've had to fix things. I've done little sew-up jobs on the netting. I've had to re-screw in where the netting velcros into the ceiling. It's like a house. Everything has to be maintained. When little things break, you've got to put them back together. So you want to be handy or have somebody around you that's handy that can do this on a regular basis if you're going to do the RV thing. I thought we were pretty careful, but you got to do it. Anyway, thanks for watching. Give me a subscribe. I'll come up with some new stuff to show you guys about the Solis and van life in general. Thanks for watching.